Welcome back to another vlog. This is Baoding City in China. All right, let's go to the car and you can leave. I've never seen actually most vloggers in China talk about Baoding, so today is the day. Today is the day we're just gonna walk around, have fun, see what's up. We just finished eating the donkey burger, and now we're gonna go to the museum. I think after the museum we're gonna go and taste some local food, see the old city. Man, we're gonna have some nice places to go. Let me show you guys around the city though. There's a mall right there. We just came from that side. These bikes are actually everywhere. They're like the Alipay bikes.
That's from Alipay.
Yeah, Alipay bikes.
Yeah.
And these are just like normal stores and stuff. This is actually a 3-tier city.
Yes.
3-tier city with around like 1 million people in the city, but more than 10 million people in the like the greater
area.
Yeah, the greater area of
If we count
Baoding.
all the counties in,
Yeah. This is quite a big city, man. Quite a big city. Most tier 1 cities in China have like 10 million, 11.
20 million for Beijing.
Yeah. And from Beijing to here, I got a very cheap ticket for like 30 RMB. That's like, wait, 30 RMB is like $2?
Maybe more.
Yeah,
Maybe $4 or
like $4.
Yeah,
That was like an hour and something. So we have a small bridge here.
It's frozen.
Yeah, it's actually
bridge.
frozen.
It's so cold here in the
Yeah.
winter.
But today is a good day because it's gonna be like 12 maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a Starbucks right there. We got Starbucks.
Starbucks coffee everywhere.
Yeah. BYD, you guys already know the cars. Build your dream. Wow. This is Baoding. Bro, are we in the downtown? No?
Yeah, I think we're literally.
Yeah, we're in the downtown area. There's no...
If we go further down this street, it's the Old Town area.
Okay. Wow, this is cool. Baoding. There's like no subway here though. Oh, we can just pass here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no subway in this city, but what's the best public transport?
Bus.
The bus, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the bus and the public bikes for like Alipay, Meituan. But I'm lucky because my friend has a car, so I'm just gonna drive around. Yo, that's
Driving
crazy. That's crazy. Oh, this is cool. It's gonna be warm today, like maybe 12 degrees. And 12 degrees, especially because in Beijing it's like in the negatives or like 0 and stuff, it's warm. That's why I'm wearing like my sweater. Xiaomi. You guys already know Xiaomi. This is like a big mall here. Wow, so this is the downtown area.
Let's wait. No need to rush.
Okay.
No need to rush.
This is good. Basically, we only paid like for 1.2 RMB for parking for 47 minutes. I don't even know how much that's in dollars because that's very, very cheap.
Like a few cents maybe.
Yeah. Wow. Yo, this windshield is very clean. Like, you can't even tell I'm inside the car. Like, it's so clean. Like, there's...
My dad cleans this like maybe half a month or something.
Oh, this is good.
Let's go. Oh, Old Town
So
forward.
we're still driving in Baoding. This looks good, man. So we're literally in the downtown area. It's like an old town. There's a church on this other side, and if I zoom in we can see Luckin Coffee.
I'm gonna turn and you can see it better.
Okay. Where you're allowed to turn right.
Yeah, I'm allowed to turn now. Yeah.
Allowed to turn right. I think in all parts of China you're allowed to turn right, right?
Yeah.
While driving.
Because of the light.
Yeah.
It's a round light. It's not in arrows.
Okay. Hello Baoding. Right there. This is the downtown area of Baoding.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so subscribe, like, and share the video because we're just gonna go around like this the whole day and I'll show you guys.
How are we gonna park the car?
Oh, I think we missed the entrance.
Yeah, me too.
We missed the entrance.
Can I drive in there?
I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, I think you can. Yeah, you can.
But it's really packed. It's really packed.
That's for sure. It's really.
Any spaces on the right?
Not really. I think there's maybe a space in front there.
Is that car coming out?
I think so. That was some driving around, and now we're out of the car. We're just gonna go to the museum. But of course, on our way to the museum, I'm still gonna show you guys the downtown area of the city. There's like not many, like tall buildings and stuff here. So these scooters are basically everywhere. Sorry?
Muslim beef restaurant.
Oh, this is a Muslim restaurant.
Yeah.
Yo, that's a nice Tesla.
I know a place we can
This is
have
really
where
good.
we can have proper Muslim.
Oh, okay, we can go there for like lunch or something. Yeah. Let me show them this side. So we parked the car like down there. Architecture. This is like Chinese architecture. Wow. Today's sunny. Sunny, sunny, sunny. Look at that. Wait, we're going to the museum, right?
Yeah, it's on the right.
Okay. All right. Welcome to Baoding City in Hebei province, China. This is beautiful, man. Yeah. This is not the entrance actually. Right. Yeah, so we're just walking around. These are like the stores where we have the souvenirs and all that kind of stuff. You want to buy some stuff. That shop, wait, what's the name of that shop, bro? This one.
蜜雪冰城.
Mishui Bingchang. They have very
Milk
cheap
tea.
like milk tea. Like 7 RMB, 8 RMB. That's like $1. Okay, let's go to the museum. Wow. What are these things?
I can't remember.
They have like lightning conductors at the top, if I'm right. You have a school bus here. Wow, this is cool. All right, so we are still walking in Baoding City. This is in the downtown area. Cho Tai Seng. This is like a store for jewelry, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Okay, like some child was saying hi. Oh. Let's just pass by here. Oh, bro, I want to ask you something, man. Is it hard to find or to get what is it? Like a number plate here? A car number plate. Like in Beijing, it's pretty hard.
It is much easier here.
Oh,
You just go to the Bureau of Transport. It's on the east of the city.
okay. That's good.
That's where we got our number plates.
Ah, that's cool. So this is like the Sanlitun of
Yes.
Chaoyang. Wow, this is cool. That's the bus. We have some nice decorations there for the year of the horse. And that's the church right there. We have a mall. Okay. This is the downtown area of Baoding City. Okay.
I'm gonna ask my parents if they know any place to buy a snack.
Oh, to buy a snack. Oh, we can enter the church. Whoa! There are many people today. This is like the bus.
Close to the festival.
Yeah. The festival is gonna be on the 15th, right?
Yeah.
Wow, I think business here is really booming because so many people, like, you know, you're
It's the
gonna.
busiest place.
Yeah.
Also the oldest place.
This is like the band in Shanghai or Sanlitun in Beijing, you know?
Over there. Over there.
Up there?
Yeah, up there, yeah.
Okay, let's
Go
go.
ahead. Do you want some coffee? Do you want to see some coffee shops?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, okay. We still have some time. We can literally drive around so many places.
Yeah, it's still early. 3 p.m. I'm thinking of us going to that really tall building.
That?
Yeah, where is it?
No, I think it's a working place, not business.
Or it's not like, no, I mean like the outside.
The outside. Okay.
But it's cool, like if there's really nothing there, then there's no need to.
No, I don't think there's anything
Okay.
over there.
Would you mind making money all night?